How to fix freezing and lagging issue with Football College 25. Now, your top priority is to make sure that you're fully connected to a strong internet provider. And here, all you have to do is just double check on your internet signal if it's gonna be on maximum. Now, if you have like around 2 to 3 bars, then you'll have to disconnect it. You'll have to power off your router, your physical router, and turn it back on again and make sure that you are fully connected once again. After that, you'll have to double check and try to rerun a speed test using the same browser that we are currently looking at right now. The next thing that you'll do is make sure that your current PC or laptop are updated to the latest version. So on your Windows icon, just look for Windows Update or simply type in Windows Update and click for check for updates. Now you should be able to know if your Windows needs an updating because this is set as by default as automatic that you'll receive notifications that your Windows is going to be a need for an update. No, once your Windows is fully updated, all you have to do then is restart your PC and try to rerun the game again. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix freezing and lagging issues on College Football 25.